In today's modern business world, barcodes stand as a silent yet powerful backbone of efficiency and organization. This video will showcase the sophisticated capabilities of the FabSoft suite of products in barcode generation and scanning. We'll begin with the SysConnect Form Designer, a premier tool for document creation and automation. SysConnect transforms text input into professional documents with ease, and generating a barcode is as simple as dragging the barcode creator over your chosen data. Customizing the appearance of the barcode in the final document is very straightforward, offering a variety of styles to cater to individual preferences and requirements. Additionally, SysConnect intelligently updates data for each page, ensuring every page of the document has a unique barcode. Users also have the option to maintain consistent barcodes across multi-page documents, providing flexibility to meet diverse form design needs. Once the barcode design is finalized, converting the documents to PDFs is a breeze. We will now move on to Document Companion, which is equipped with an advanced barcode reader. The click-to-copy barcodes feature allows for full document OCR and barcode reading with a simple click, making the extraction of barcode values incredibly simple and user-friendly. In addition to Document Companion, our DeskConnect product also contains intelligent barcode reading capabilities. I have already pre-configured a workflow that will pull the barcode information from this document. I can submit the document to DeskConnect for swift processing by printing to the DeskConnect printer driver. This will generate a JSON file which contains the desired barcode information, as well as some other useful information from the document. Note that countless other output locations and formats can also be implemented. DeskConnect workflows facilitate the rapid processing of documents, enabling the quick and easy extraction of barcode values. In conclusion, FabSoft's suite of products offers straightforward, user-friendly solutions for all your barcode reading and creation needs, simplifying these critical tasks in an increasingly complicated business landscape. If you would like to see how our product can enhance your documents, please click the links below to try it for free or schedule a demo.